Hi and welcome to the Spice Lab. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Jadoh. Jadoh is a very popular dish among the Khasi community of Meghalaya. You will require onions chopped fine, crushed ginger, and pork that has been marinated for 3 to 4 hours, and rice. The recipe is mentioned in the description below. You can follow the same. Now heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add in the bay leaves and the cinnamon sticks. Add in the crushed ginger and stir it well. Add in the onions and add in a pinch of salt to expedite the cooking process. Fry it well till soft and translucent. Add in your haldi powder and your pepper powder. Mix it all well and fry it for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium heat. Now add the marinated pork and fry it well with the onions, the ginger, the cinnamon and the bay leaf. Let it mix all well together. Let it fry for about 10 minutes. Add in a cup of water and let it cook on medium-high flame for another 10 minutes. Keep checking to see if the pork is soft. Add in the rice and mix it with the pork masala well. Let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the remaining 3 cups of water, stir it all well, cover and let it cook till the rice is well done. Once it's cooked, turn off the heat and garnish it with coriander leaves. The Jadoh is now ready to be served. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button.